Oh, well, Cowpokes, you might be wondering why I have my cowboy hat on today. I know you're gonna be so excited because we're gonna have a cattle drive today.
Well, here it is on a Tuesday night on a hot evening, and tomorrow we're going to sell a load of big steers out of this pasture right here. These big boys, about 55 or 60 of them, weigh 900 pounds. And Farmer Mark and I have been giving them a little alfalfa when we've been checking them, so hopefully they'll follow the old feed truck out. But we may need help driving them down the road. So Farmer Mark, if you would take the four-wheeler over there behind them.
All right, that sounds good.
Nana, you take a couple of these Cowpokes, the gator, and stay on one side of them. And
What about me, Gramps? Do you want me to go get my big truck? I can drive my big truck and help out.
well, Slick Nick, we got something special for you. It's a bike. If you can bring up the tail enders and it's even got training wheels on it so you won't fall down, and you bring up the tail enders with this bicycle, and it'll keep everybody calm and happy. There you go.
They won't miss you out there, Slick Nick. They'll sure be able to see you.
Okay, I'll follow up with the bike. All right, sounds good.
All right, let's go get them.
Load it out.
Good job, Slick Nick. Couldn't have got him without you. I guess I got a new job out here on the ranch.
Hey, Cowpokes, why was the cow afraid? The cow was afraid because he was a cowherd.
Time for another Cowpokes competition. As you can see, Slick Nick is pretty good on that bike, isn't he? He did great in that cattle drive, but let's see how he does in a bike race against Hank. Little Cowpoke Hank and Nick are going to ride their bikes down to the orange line. You might not be able to see it. You'll be able to see it though when I go down there to film them. So we will see how Slick Nick does riding this bike in a race against Hank. Go me. Cowpokes on your marks. Get set, go! Woo! Cowpokes on your marks. Get set, go! Cowpokes, on your marks. Get set, go! And the winner of this Cowpoke competition is Cowpoke Hank! Yay! Congratulations! Wow, Cowpokes, I bet Slick Nick wishes he had a cool gator like this to ride in the cattle drive. Poor thing on his bike. Well, thanks for joining us today on the County Line Ranch to help us get the job done. We'll see you next time. Hey, where's Slick Nick and his bike? Tractor? I don't know. We'll see you next time, Cowpokes.
Oh, Cowpokes, how embarrassing that I had to ride a bike in that cattle drive. And now what's even worse is that I can't even find my tractor again. So here I am on my bike. I sure wish I could find it. Where is my tractor? Oh, okay, all right. Cowpokes, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button. I gotta go get my tractor.